Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This lady recorded the road rage moment on a gas pump. Guys in a black car tried to skip the queue and get gas first. Check it out.
Nobody can get out of here. Get out of here.
Oh!
Stop hitting me! Do not put your hands on me!
Back up! Back up! Back up!
You're a racist.
Back up!
You're a racist. You're a
Back up! Back
See
up!
this, right?
Yes, I have
See
it.
this? And she's
Back
hitting
up.
me. She's hitting me.
She hit him.
She put her hands on me with the stick.
I'll stand like
Put her
20
hands on me.
minutes. I just want to get there. We've been waiting here for 20 minutes.
I'm hooking everybody up. All you have to do is, it's called patience. It's called patience.
I lose that after 20 minutes.
20 minutes. You not count?
He just got here. You're not supposed to touch the pump. He did not. He not.
Do that. It's against the law.
It's not.
Jersey, it's against the law. Call a cop.
Hey, look.
Call a
She
cop.
put her hands on me. She hit me.
She hit him.
She hit me. Look at her.
This woman is crazy.
He's a racist.
You don't need to see.
He's a
I'm a racist.
He called her a
Stand
name.
in my way.
He's a fucking racist.
You didn't have to hit him. You didn't have to hit him.
Make sure you send it.
You didn't have to hit him.
I didn't hit him.
Please
He
get
hit
away
me.
from me. You hit him. I have it on video.
hit me.
Miss, you're intimidating me.
Oh, God forbid.
Just get
God
away from the car.
forbid.
Get away
You
from the
should be
car.
intimidated.
Get away from the car.
Oh, fuck you.
Get away from the car. You shouldn't have hit him.
I'll be right there. And then she gonna really jump out and hit me with that thing?
Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry for that. I'm sorry. Oh, yes, the police has showed up. She hit him. She hit him. Yes, 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 yes. I have it on film.
Guy on a bicycle hits a car and then runs away. Luckily, there was no damage.
If I would have hit him, I would have had the right of way. Player. Player. You about to hit his car too, you stupid ass. Go ahead, hit his car. Hit his car. Hit his car. Hit his car. He hit his car. Oh no, it's on my dash camera. I got you. I got you. You got it.
Driver tried to dodge the police car in emergency situation that was driving in opposite lane and ended up sideswiping another car. Both of these drivers tried to make the yellow light, but unfortunately ended up in an accident. Driver in express lane changed lane, hitting the car in lane 2, and then fled the scene. And because of drivers like this, you should get yourself a dashcam. Check out our description, we found some great deals on dashcams.
Let me drop some shit like this.
Oh my god. Okay. Hey!
I can't sleep. I toss and turn, candlesticks in the dark, visions of bodies being
Okay,
burned.
Garmin.
Four
Say
walls
video.
just staring at a nigga. I'm paranoid, sleeping with my finger on the trigger. Mama.
Damn it.
Driver of the pickup truck lost control on the highway and ended up rolling his vehicle.
What just happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Are you kidding me?
After this close call, driver continued to drive recklessly. Check out what he did next.
Dumbass! What the f are you doing? Driving in 2 lanes.
What the hell are you thinking?
What the? 8WKY062.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.